In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your passwords with Bitwarden, a popular and secure password manager. We'll walk through each step of the process, making it clear and simple to follow along. Whether you're looking to improve your online security or just need a refresher, this guide will help ensure your passwords are updated safely and effectively. Let's start by logging into the website or app where you want to update your password. This could be anything from your Facebook account to your Gmail or Twitter. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings section. From there, look for the security options. Most platforms will have a section labeled security or something similar. Within that menu, you'll find an option to change your password. The wording may vary a bit depending on the site, but you should be able to find it easily. Now it's time to open the Bitwarden extension. You can do this from your browser, your mobile device, or even your desktop. Once you've got Bitwarden open, go to the generator section. This is where you can customize the settings for your new password. For added security, we recommend choosing a password length of at least 12 to 20 characters. Make sure to include a mix of uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination makes your password much harder to guess. Once you've selected your preferred settings, click Generate, and then copy the new password. With your freshly generated password in hand, return to the website where you're updating your credentials. Paste that new password into the new password field. You'll likely be prompted to confirm the change by entering both your current password and the new password. Double check to make sure everything is correct, then hit the save or confirm button on the website. After you've updated your password, you'll often see that Bitwarden automatically detects the change and prompts you to update the password in your vault. If for some reason you're not prompted, don't worry, you can manually update your entry. Open the Bitwarden icon, find the specific login item you just changed, and click Edit. Paste the new password in and be sure to save the changes. Finally, you want to ensure that your updated password is synced across all your devices. This is an important step to make sure your new credentials are available wherever you use Bitwarden. Go back to the extension or app, navigate to settings, and choose the sync option. This will update your vault so everything is up to date. That's it. With Bitwarden, changing your passwords is secure and straightforward. Remember, keeping your passwords complex and unique across different sites is a key part of maintaining strong online security. Stay safe and see you in the next video.